Hello, I'm Annette Maston, one of the advisors in the Class Student Success Center. Thank you for joining us for the Academic Planning Workshop. And I'm joined by my colleague.
Hi, I'm Lancella Hunter. I'm another advisor for the Student Success Center.
Again, this is the Academic Planning Workshop. And let's get started. So we have some learning outcomes for this workshop. We do want students to understand what their curriculum sheet is and what it looks like, and then and how to find it. And then also learn about the degree of progress report, where to find it, and show what requirements you have left, and find out how to access and use the CPP Connect Planner. So we'll first get started with the curriculum sheet, which we'll show you a picture of in a minute, but we want to tell you what it's about. So it lists the requirements that are needed for the degree. So it lists the total units, the general education areas, and major requirements. One thing we want to note down here is that to be sure that you have the correct year in which you began your current major. So you want the curriculums change year to year. So we want to make sure that you are following the correct academic year or curriculum year. And you can view what year you should be following in your degree progress report, where it says plan. It'll tell you which term that you should have. So let's show you what curriculum sheets look like. So this is an example of a sociology general general option curriculum sheet. So it lists the major required courses. And some curriculum sheets are a little bit different in this area where it has the subplan option required and the subplan option electives. But we do have general education requirements listed on all of the curriculum sheets. And then unrestricted electives are also an area of units that may be needed depending on how many units you've already satisfied. We recommend that you meet with an advisor to ensure whether or not you're going to need any unrestricted elective units. And unrestricted elective units can be taken from any department, as long as they're new units that you haven't already taken here at Cal Poly Pomona or at another institution. So it's just to help you meet the 120 unit requirement, because that is what the minimum unit requirement is for all of our programs in class. So moving on, here it is. So then we have the degree progress report. So the degree progress report lists the requirements that you need to graduate, just like the curriculum sheet does. But it does show the status of courses needed, which is the red box. The courses that are in progress, which would be the yellow diamond, and then the courses that are completed, or the requirements that are completed, which is the green check mark. So you could pull up your DPR. When you pull up your DPR, it'll look, well, this is how you pull it up. So you sign into your student center in My CPP, and then under academics, you go to the drop-down menu where it says My Degree Progress Report, and that's how you'll be able to pull up your degree progress report. And then once you're in there, it'll show you, it'll start with different university requirements and then move into GE courses and then your major courses. Some things to keep in mind when reviewing your DPR is how many units do you need to meet the 120 unit requirement. You don't want to fall short of the 120 unit requirement because it will prevent you from graduating. The units in the DPR, they show how many units have been taken, but that does include what you're currently registered for. So they're not units earned, they're units taken and registered for. Another thing to note is the list of courses, or I would list the courses that you have left that have the little red box. I'd list those because that'll come in handy when we talk about the planner. So anything that has a red box, you want to make a list or a note of those courses so that you can start planning those. And then also at the top, I mentioned that there are university requirements that are listed. So those are the American institutions requirements. So it's like the US history courses and the political science, the intro to American government course. You want to make sure that those are satisfied and not showing missing. And then also list what GE courses you might be missing. Again, confirm this with an advisor that you do in fact need these courses. And then you also want to list what major requirements you still need. So once you get the list of those, you can start trying to plan, and I'll hand it over to Lancella.
Yes, and so the CPP Connect Planner is a great tool for you to keep organized, so you can list out the courses that you still need to complete for every semester. So it helps you to plan for your future, and the courses needed in your GPR will reflect on your planner. And again, make sure that you're working with your academic advisor to just make sure that your planner is correct, and you can update it when as needed. Next, we're gonna talk about how to log into your CPP Connect Planner. You go to your My CPP, you look under favorites or under the tab at the top with the 9 little squares, and you can locate the CPP Connect Planner. Once you click on the planner, it'll take you to it. Next, we're going to look at a video about how to set up your CPP planner.
Setting up your CPP Connect Planner. To get to Planner, go to www.cpp.edu/CPP Connect. Click on the Login to Planner button. Log in with your Bronco name and password. At the top of the screen, click on Planner. At the top of the screen, you'll see your major, the number of units for your degree requirements, and an estimated graduation term. There are 3 planning options to choose from. The Use This Template button selects the recommended planner seen below on your planner screen. The Create Custom Template button gives you the ability to edit the recommended planner seen below on your planner screen. The Plan from Scratch button gives you a blank planner for you to fill out. Once you select a planning option, Planner will show you plan suggestions. If your major doesn't have any options, you're ready to start using Planner. If you have a major option, you will need to select it in the View Alternate Plans link. On the left-hand side, select your major option, scroll to the bottom of the screen, and click on Change to this plan. When the screen refreshes, click on Change Plan to confirm. This will help Planner show you your option courses. Now you're ready to start using Planner. You'll see that Planner has mapped out the courses you need to take and when. You may need to make some changes. Continue to use your curriculum sheet and degree progress report while using Planner. You should work with your academic advisor to confirm everything is good to go. You can find more how-to resources for Planner on the CPP Connect website at www.cpp.edu/CPP Connect.
Okay, so once your planner is set up, on the left-hand side, you'll see the program template courses. Those may need to be updated, so definitely grab that list of the courses that you still need to complete, and you can use it as a guide. And what you're going to do is you're going to move the courses that you want to take from the left-hand side to the right-hand side under My Academic Plan. Some GE courses may have multiple options for you to pick from, multiple courses, and some major courses may also have multiple options to pick from. So if that's the case, there will be a tab where you can click, I believe it's the blue triangle. You can click on that and you'll see where you can find the different classes that you can choose from. All right, so now how to find this. How to find Class Student Success Center. You can go to our website for our drop-in hours, which are updated each semester. You can email us at class-advising@cpp.edu, or you can find us in Building 5 upstairs in room 228, or you can give us a call at 909-979-5695. We're also on Facebook and on Instagram, so definitely follow us there for any important information that we post throughout the semester.
And that is the end of our presentation. So thank you for joining us. And yeah, feel free to reach out to us if you have any other questions or if you need help with any of the tools that we just went over. Thank you.